Oh, for sure, baby. It is Monday, Galatians Loud, and it is a little early here on my Monday off. Gonna do a little shopping action. So my motivation for today is getting my butt up and getting out of the house. That is motivation because the Vikings aren't motivating me at all because they keep losing. Yes, thank you. So it's raining right now. That's my pool. It's raindrops hitting my pool. And yeah, it looks like this is going to be our Monday. A little clouds and rain. Good times, good times. We got 2 more days till 1 year Galatians Loud. So be ready for that coming up on Wednesday. 14 days till the big guy's birthday. 13 till Christmas. Be ready. Oh, for sure. Hope you're motivated.